First, estimates of the cost of the expedition to Saudi Arabia and the Persian Gulf are coming in tonight. Our Pentagon correspondent David Martin says sources at the Pentagon now estimate the cost of the operation will $2 billion by September 30th. Saudi Arabia today called for an emergency meeting of OPEC to discuss the Persian Gulf crisis. The Saudis, who set no date or place for the meeting, denied yesterday's rumors of any oil cutbacks next month. Meantime, questions persist whether Americans can drive themselves to... Our business correspondent Ray Brady reports.
It's a nation always on the move, 4% of the world's population, but burning about a quarter of the world's oil. A nation so busy driving, it forgot the oil shocks of the late 70s and early 80s.
In the past 4 years alone, by falling off of the energy efficiency wagon, we've missed a chance to save as much oil every day as Kuwait produces every day.
It wasn't
The Illinois government has issued a tornado warning, effective until 7 a.m. tomorrow. You must follow the instructions given. Seek shelter. This tornado is an F5 tornado. This is really dangerous and rare. It can destroy a house, even a car. Go to your nearest strongest shelter now. This map shows the timeline of the tornado. Right now, 8 p.m. starts at North Illinois. 7 a.m. ending at East Southern Illinois, closest to Indiana. Stay safe and seek shelter. Do not hide in your home. Instead, hide underground now. After this countdown, you must be hidden in a shelter to protect yourself and your family. Hide now. I repeat, hide now. There is a tornado incoming in your area. Effective until 7 a.m. Hide now.